Why can't you sleep at night? It's 3 a.m. Your eyes are locked on the ceiling, your body is tired, but your mind won't stop. And if this describes you, you're not alone. Because according to research, 99% of individuals over 60 experience a significant decline in sleep quality. But why? And more importantly, how can you fix it naturally? In this video, I will reveal 3 hidden reasons that keep you awake at night, and I'll share easy, drug-free solutions for each one. Because peaceful sleep at this age is not a luxury. It's a necessity. When you were young, even if you went to bed at 11 p.m., you slept soundly until 8 a.m. But now, things have changed. As we age, our internal clock called the circadian rhythm tends to wake us up earlier and cause lighter sleep. This leads to tossing and turning after waking up at 2 a.m. So what's the solution? Solution: getting sunlight at the same time every day resynchronizes your body's clock. Starting your day with a 20-minute morning walk can make a bigger difference for your sleep pattern than you might expect. When you try to sleep, your mind refuses to stop working. Memories from the past, unfinished tasks, health worries. As we age, the mental load doesn't decrease. It becomes more internalized as silent anxiety. And when night falls, the brain brings it all out. Solution: a 10-minute writing exercise before bed. It sounds simple, but its impact is deep. By answering questions like, what did I feel today? What bothered me? You can prepare your mind for the night. This sends a message to your brain. Everything is under control. Now it's time to rest. Now we've come to the most surprising part. The culprits behind your sleepless nights may be hiding in your kitchen. Here are 3 common foods silently sabotaging your sleep. 1. Pickles and canned foods. Excessive sodium leads to nighttime thirst and blood pressure fluctuations. 2. Chocolate and dark snacks. Their caffeine content speeds up your heart rate at night. 3. Diet-labeled snacks. Artificial sweeteners stimulate the brain and suppress melatonin. Solution: replace nighttime consumption with natural sleep supporters like bananas, walnuts, and herbal tea. Especially chamomile, lemon balm, or cherry stem tea can help your body relax. Insomnia is not about how old you are. It's about how you live. And no one can tell you that you don't deserve a peaceful night's sleep. If you incorporate these 3 simple steps you learned today into your life, your body won't just sleep. It will rejuvenate. Which one will you try first? Write in the comments. What affects my sleep is. If this video added value to you, don't forget to like and subscribe, because peaceful sleep might start with the next video.